Just a brief progress update on the camshaft install and the timing belt and other maintenance. You can see that I've got everything taken out of the front of the engine bay. Radiator, condenser, fan, and all the hoses are removed. I've already got the timing belt off, and I had both camshaft sprockets off so I could get the backer plate out. That water pump is new. I just replaced that. And I also have a new timing belt tensioner installed already. I've already started on the driver's side camshaft. As you can see, the only thing on the front end here is going to be that oil seal. The only other things holding it in is going to be that distributor, which I haven't removed yet. But I have gone ahead and taken out the rocker arm assembly and also the hydraulic lifters and the lifter body assembly. So the only thing else holding this camshaft in is going to be that rear bolt and the backer plate back there. It's a little bit tight as far as access goes with the firewall right here, but with a slim wrench you should be able to get back there. It's a little bit tedious, but it can be done. Just as a side note, I've already taken out the Schneider racing cams and I just kind of compared them side by side based on the clocking of where that keyway is for the camshaft sprocket, and just visually checked which way the different lobes were pointed. And it does look like those Z31s are a perfect match pretty much as far as the general direction of those lobes. So it should be a quick plug and play type of installation is what I'm hoping for, but we'll see what other issues I may run into along the way. Thanks for watching and keep a lookout for the finished videos.